Hello friends, I am Sapun and welcome to your favorite channel Canvas. Friends, today we are going to draw a fishing composition. Two friends are fishing here. Friends, at first we have to complete the gesture drawing properly. After that, we can complete the main drawing. So friends, see here I'm using black gel pen, but you try to avoid pen first. At first, you will complete the gesture with pencil. When you will complete the detailing, at that time also you have to use pencil. Okay. Now friends, see, almost a little girl drawing is completed. Is it? Now we can start the boy. See, when you will draw the boy, at that time also you have to follow the drawing properly. Then see the hand position. When you will draw the hand, at that time also you have to follow the proper their relation, how to make the composition, how to complete the drawing properly. You should follow the drawing very clearly. Now friends, see, our main subject is fishing. Our fishing is completed, is it? Now we can go to the background. See, just we have to draw two houses here. I think this drawing is not too tough. If you follow the steps, you can draw this one very easily. So friends, see, now we can draw a tree from here. Okay, our drawing almost completed. Now we can draw a banana tree from here. Also we can draw some bushes. Now just we'll complete the whole drawing. See, our drawing almost completed. So friends, see here I will not start the color. I want to suggest you that at first you have to complete the drawing properly. After that, you should check out your drawing from your drawing teacher. Okay, then you can start the color. Also, if you want to show your work me, you can show me. Okay, so friends, I want to inform you that if you want to learn drawing and painting from me, you can contact with me. We are taking online and offline both classes. So students are learning drawing, painting from our institute. So if you want, you can contact with me. Okay, so friends, see, our drawing almost completed, is it? Now friends, you don't forget to share this video to your friends, teachers, relatives. Okay friends, bye.